Hey there, I had a lot of great feedback from our last superset workout that I put out for you. So here you go. I have another one for you, friend. So 2 exercises back to back. That's a superset, and each exercise uses different muscle groups. So the idea here is, in order to keep our workout short, we want to do these 2 exercises that use different muscle groups so we don't need to rest. Get it? Okay, so we're going to do workout A, workout B, go back and forth 3 to 5 times through. Now for the rep count, you're going to need a pair of dumbbells for this, so the reps are going to depend on how heavy a weights you're using. You want to make the last couple of reps really hard to get through, okay? So I recommend you try 12 reps, see how it goes, and then adjust from there. So here's our 2 exercises that we're gonna do. We're gonna do a plie squat into a bicep curl. So a plie squat or sumo squat, super wide toes are out. Great if you have knee issues, by the way. So we're simply going to squat down, and as we stand, we're gonna curl. I'm doing a hammer curl here. So I'm this way with my dumbbells, or you could do a regular curl, which is gonna be harder. So again, it depends on the weight that you're using, all right? So jump in here with me, pack your shoulders into the sockets to protect any shoulder issues you might have. Toes are turned out, and here we go, we're doing 12. Inhale down, exhale up. If you want to adjust those dumbbells to do a regular curl, that's fine too. Let's do 2 more. Great job. Okay, we're gonna do a single leg deadlift with a single arm row. So for this, you're gonna hold both dumbbells just to help with balance, but we're only gonna row one side. I suggest rowing on the side of the leg that comes up. It's gonna kind of give you a counterbalance, okay? So what this is gonna look like, I'm gonna show you from the side first. We're gonna go back, and then I'm gonna row. And then come back up to standing, and then I'm gonna row. And then we'll switch to the other side. Okay, so again, let's do 12 on each side, but if it's too easy for you, when you do this, do more reps. If it's too hard, do less. Okay, ready? Here we go. Ideal if you don't put that foot all the way on the ground when you come to that standing position, just to keep your leg that you're standing on under some type of constant tension. This is not about speed either, okay? So if you gotta go nice and slow, that's fine. What if you're falling all over the place? Go ahead and give me a little look-see here. Keep your foot down like a tripod for support, okay? Just make sure your weight is in that foot of the leg you're standing on if you're going to use your foot as a tripod. Great job. Okay, let's try the other side. So again, you're either bringing that leg back, and whatever leg is off the ground, that's the arm you're going to row with. Elbow goes straight into the sky. If you're too wobbly, just slide your leg back so my weight's still all in this leg I'm standing on. I'm just kind of using that foot as just a little tripod to help me balance, okay? Let's do 12, here we go. Again, I know these are short workouts, but listen, you're doing basically a total body workout with little to no rest. So it's effective, it's quick, it's a win-win situation. So modify the rep range, okay? And then 3 to 5 times through. Yeah? You got it? Boom! Thanks for doing that with me. I'll see you next time. Bye.